everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup release by Hourglass and Real Liquid Blush. This price is $36. Liquid blush that visibly plumps with hydration and delivers unreal, buildable color for a natural finish that stays in place for up to 12 hours. Color, bright pink. Hyaluronic acid helps attract water to visibly plump skin with hydration. Color, Vision True Rose. Upcycled white lupin seed extract visibly firms skin for a smooth look. Color, Scene Soft Warm Pink. Free of parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, and triclosan. It is also vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. Color, Moment Warm Peach Beige. Infused with Hourglass's Unreal Lifting Complex, this serum-like formula instantly hydrates to visibly firm and lift cheeks with color for all day. Weightless wear. Color, Imagine Rich Terracotta. The innovative packaging features a precision dropper to customize your desired look, from a soft wash of color to a vibrant flush. Color, Future Warm Coral. Shake well with cap on before use. Remove cap and turn the bottle upside down and gently press the soft button on the bottom to dispense one drop on the back of the hand. Color, Craft Deep Berry. Next, use No. 15 blush brush sold separately to pick up a small amount of product using a stippling motion. Lightly tap the brush starting at the apple of the cheek, then buff and blend upward toward the cheekbone. If you liked today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.